What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the S25 Ultra which can't install apps. So to fix this issue, first of all check storage space in your phone. So for that open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care click on storage and then from here check if your storage is running out, then free up some space by deleting some extra files from your phone. You can also delete the recycle bin files to free up some space, and after that the apps not installing issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is try updating your phone software. So to update the phone software, open settings again, scroll down to the end and here click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here check if you have any pending update, then update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version your problem will be fixed. But after updating the software, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down and click on general management. Now scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after resetting your mobile settings, the apps not installing issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.